Let's now try to answer this problem. Fiona, Gail, and Hannah have 470 stickers altogether. So if you want to draw that already, Fiona, Gail, and Hannah, total of 470 stickers. Gail has twice as many stickers as Fiona. Gail has twice as many stickers as Fiona. Hannah has 30 less stickers than Gail. So 30 less than Gail. So how many stickers does Gail have? Okay. So for this problem, we can see in our model that we have 3 equal units. 1, 2, 3. We can also say that it could be 4 because as you can see here, Gail and Hannah, if you will see the comparison also, Hannah has 1 unit, a little more than 1 unit. So, Hannah only needs 30 more to complete the last unit. So one method here that we can use is that we will complete Hannah's unit by adding the 30 so that it would look like this. If I add the 30, okay, Hannah will have 2 units, Gail will have 2, and Fiona will have 1. So it will be 5 units. 5 units is 470 plus 30, which will give me 500. We now get 1 unit. 1 unit is 500 divided by 5. That's 100. What does this 1 unit represent? It represents Fiona's stickers. So is this the answer already? Not yet, because we're trying to look for Gail. And Gail has 2 units. So that would now be 100 times 2, 200. Let's check if that answer is correct. If Fiona has 100, Gail has 200, Hannah will have 30 less than Gail, so 200 minus 30 is 170. If we add them all together, this is 470, meaning to say our answer is correct. Another method that we can use is removing the extras, just like the one earlier. So we can remove the extra units. We can remove the extras so we can have equal units. Let's try that out. So let's name this as method 1. Now for method 2, let's try to imagine first the removal of units, or the removal of the extras rather. So we remove the 30 extra here, and of course here also, and here as well, and this one also. If you will be using this method, you have to make sure that you are removing the correct number of extras to make the units equal. If you will imagine this being removed, it would be like this. removing those extras so we have equal units. Okay, so your units would look like that. How many units do we have? Still 5 units, but your units now are smaller than the ones that we had earlier. So let's try that out. We will be removing 4 30s. So let's name this as method 2. So 470 minus 30 times 1, 2, 3, 4 is 470 minus 120 will give me 350. And that is still 5 units. But this time the units are smaller. So 1 unit is 350 divided by 5, that is 70. So 70 now represents this small unit. Okay, so that is 70. Let's make it. So 70, 70, 70, 70, 70. We want to look for Gale. So for us to have Gale, that would be 70 plus 70 plus 30. Don't forget, there's 30 plus 30. So Gale would be 70 times 2 plus 30 times 2, which is still 140 plus 60, that would still be equal to 200. So this is the same as our answer earlier. As you can see, 200 and 200. So whichever method is easier for you, you can use that. Because it will still be the same answer, but in method 2, we have to be careful because we have to know how many extras we have to remove. It's not just 130, it is 4 30s.